Hey guys, how's it going? How to view website logs and analytics on Hostinger. First of all, go ahead to the official website and select your plan. And if you want free domain, free website migration, and other features, visit the link in the description box to get the best experience. And if you don't like the experience, you will get 30-day money back guarantee. So, first of all, to use the analytics, you can find it by selecting analytics on the left sidebar of your website's hosting dashboard. Once there, you'll be presented with a short overview and detailed information, right? And you're gonna see right here the analytics, the access logs, and error code 5xx and error code 4xx. So we're gonna go ahead to the analytics, right? And in the analytics, you can find graphic visualization of website visits, including total requests, unique IP addresses, and bandwidth, right? And the total request shows the HTTP and HTTPS request to all hosting account, and the unique IP addresses, the number of distinct IP addresses that access your hosting account, and the bandwidth, the amount of data that was transmitted in a fixed amount of time. So you can also further data like RAM and CPU usage for the past 30 days on the resources usage page. All right, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.